Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to fix error 0x887A0006 in Unreal Engine. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, simple fixes here. Go ahead and open up your graphics card application. Okay, for example, here I have the NVIDIA graphics card, so I have the NVIDIA app. So go ahead over to the drivers tab and make sure that you have updated your graphics card drivers. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down system update. Okay, click on check for updates, and if there are available updates in here, make sure that you install them. And once done, go ahead and go to advanced options. Here we have optional updates as well. Install all optional updates. Okay, and after that, you can now go ahead and restart your computer and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and find the game. For example, you have here Counter-Strike. So just go ahead and open up the application or the launcher of the game. So for example, Counter-Strike. Click on it, right click and click on Manage. Now go ahead and click on Browse Local Files. Now you'll be able to see the game right here. Okay, you just go ahead and find the correct folder. Now right click on the game, click on Properties, Compatibility right here, and disable full screen optimizations. Okay, and then once that's done, just hit on Apply and hit on OK. And after that, go ahead and launch it from the launcher, of course, and check if it helps. Now another option, right click on the game, click on Properties. Now under launch option, just go ahead and type down -DX11, and then once that's done, close this one and try to launch it. Okay, if that still will work, go back to the same set of page, Properties, and try DX12. All right, once that's on, close this one, hit on play, and it should work now. Now, another option to fix that, if you still have the problem, right click on a blank space right here on your desktop and click on Display Settings. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and scroll down a bit, select the monitor. Select the monitor where you game, okay, or where you're playing, and make sure that under scale, it is set to what is recommended, okay? So yours might be different. You will be able to see that your recommended scaling right here is 125% or 150. Well, go ahead and select that, as well as the display resolution. Make sure that you use the recommended setting, okay? And then once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, the last option right here, for example, you have overclocked your specific graphics card. Okay, let's say for example you have the MSI Afterburner. Okay, just make sure that you revert all the overclocking or stop the overclocking process. And once there is no overclocking happening on your GPU, well, you can go ahead and test it out, and everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is it. That is how you fix the UE4 or Unreal Engine 4 Fatal Error. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.